Today's Kids Academy. Hey, hey! Come and learn with T. Today's Kids is on singing.
Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Th's virtual classroom. In this lesson, we'll be talking about the letter B, the sound letter B makes, and things that begin with the letter B. Are you ready? This is the letter B. B makes the sound B. B. Can you make the B sound? Let me hear. Good job, guys. B makes the sound B. Ball begins with the letter B. This is an uppercase B. It looks like this. And this is a lowercase b. This is an upper and a lowercase b. What sound does it make again? B. You did good. B. It makes the sound B, like ball. Ball. B. Let me hear the sound again. B, like ball. Can you say ball? B. Ball. B. This is a bell. Bell. Let me hear you make the B sound. B. Can you hear the B sound when I say bell? Good job. Let me hear you make the B sound. Bell begins with the letter B. This is a button. Let me hear you make the B sound. Can you hear the sound when I say button? Hey Heather, are you enjoying the letter B lesson? Okay. This is a bike. Can you hear the letter B when I say bike? Bike. I heard it. Did you hear it? Let me hear you make the B sound. Good job, guys. This is a B. Did you hear the B sound when I said B? B. Now it's time to write it. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's get ready. We're gonna start at the top where 1 is. We're gonna come down. We're gonna go around and around. Good job. Now for a lowercase b. We're gonna start at the top and go back to the middle and around. You guys did great. We're all done with the letter B lesson. We learned how to say it, we learned the sound, and we learned all these things that begin with the letter B. You guys did a great job. Thanks guys for coming. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.